Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create GIF using your Android smartphone. For this, we need two apps. First of all, we need an app for making images. That is, I am going to use the Poster Maker app for this. I have already installed it, and the next we need image to GIF converter. Image to GIF converter for converting the images that we have prepared using Poster Maker to an GIF. I hope that creating a GIF is very much beneficial for you during festival seasons or during birthdays or any special moments, because GIF are very useful because they convey a important message very easily. So this is an easy image to GIF converter. I hope that you will definitely like this video. Watch till the end. Now I am going to create an image using the Poster Maker app. For this, click on create poster. It's not a poster actually, but we need to create we can create very beautiful images using this app. I'm going to click on any one of the ratio, and I am going to select an image from my gallery. So here I am going to create a GIF on Onam. So first of all, I have selected an Mavili. This is a symbol of Onam, and I am going to type some text about this. I am going to type Happy Onam. Of course, I am wishing you all a happy Onam in this eve. Okay, I have created a text. Now the best thing to say is that we can change the font, the color and everything using this app. So I'm going to change the font, then the color, and we can add the shadow. This is a very useful app for this purpose. I hope that you all will surely download this app and use it for creating GIF or for creating any posters, etc. Now I have created my first image. We need a multiple of images for to create GIF. Now I have created my first image. Then design, let's you rework image. Now click on image. Now it's a saving image. Now we have saved the image. Then the ads anyway. Then click on OK. Now we have our first image, and we can for the next images we need only change the color a little bit. We can change the color using this app, and I'm going to save the next image. Okay, then I'm going to change the color once again. Okay, I have changed we can change one more image. Okay, this ad anyway, no problem. Now we have 3 to 4 images, and let's have one more image. I'm going to select this one. Okay, this one is. Now we have around 5 images. Okay, now let's go back to the images to GIF converter. Now here click on select images, and I'm going to close this ad, and I'm going to select the images that I have created now. I have then click on done, then click on next, then click on export GIF. Wait till your video is being exporting, and then click on the result. Now we can view our GIF. We can see that the test Happy Onam is changing its color. I hope that this was very useful for you to create GIF very easily. Now we can share the GIF using any of our social media site. I am going to share it through my WhatsApp. Okay, then it's very easy. So we can get a much easier GIF. Yeah, I hope that this was very useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe and support me. Thank you all. Wait till my next video.